You're not gonna like this, but you need to hear it. Your channel is not growing, your views are crawling, and you're thinking about quitting? Stop. In this video, I'm talking to every new creators right now. Especially if you got 5 videos, 10 videos, maybe even 20 videos, and your views are low, your subscribers are not growing, and you start to question yourself. You're thinking, is this even worth it? Let me be real with you. By the end of this video, everything changed. Let's get into it. This first thing you have to let go. Stop watching your subscriber count. Let's start here. Stop watching your subscribers. Because when you do, you tie your emotion to a number you don't control. One day it goes up, you feel great. Next day it stays the same, now you feel like you failed. That's a dangerous cycle. Your job is not to chase subscribers. Your job is to earn attention. Subscribers come later. Listen, stop obsessing over your views. This one is hard, but it's necessary. Stop checking your views every hour. Because your views don't tell the full story. A video can sit for days and then suddenly take off like a rocket. YouTube is not instant, it's delayed. If you quit early, you never give your content time to work. Stop overthinking your description. A lot of new creators spend too much time right here. Writing long description, stressing over keywords. Let me simplify this. Your description is not why your video failed. Focus on your energy where it matters most. Your title, your thumbnail, your first and second, that's what get the clicks and keep attention. Don't quit. This video changed everything. Let's continue. This next one is important. Your title and your thumbnail is everything. If nobody click, nothing else matter. You can have the best video in the world, but if your title and thumbnail are weak, nobody will ever see it. So ask yourself, would I click this? Does it create curiosity? Is it clear and emotional? That's the key to true growth. And that's the game. This next one, this is a big one. Stop comparing yourself to big creators. This will kill your motivation fast. You're looking at someone with 100,000 subscribers, 500 videos, years of experience, and you're comparing that to your 5 videos. That's not fair for you. Focus on your lane, your growth, your journey. Consistency beats talent. Listen, you don't need to be the best. You just need to show up again and again. Because consistency builds skill, confidence, momentum. Most people quit before they get good. Don't be most people. Your message matters more than perfection. A lot of creators wait until everything is perfect. Perfect lighting, perfect camera, perfect editing. Meanwhile, they never post a video. Not one video, they don't post a video. Remember, done is better than perfect. People connect with realness, honesty, truth, not perfection. Stay with me. Don't quit. because this video changed everything. Let's continue. Talk to one person, not everyone. When you create, don't try to speak to the whole world. Speak to one person, someone like you. Having a good conversation, that's how you build connection. That's how people feel. This video is for them. Expect slow growth at first. This part is normal. Slow growth does not mean failure. It means you're early, you're learning, you're building. Remember, every big creator was once invisible. Build discipline, not motivation. Motivation comes and goes. Someday you feel great, someday you don't. But discipline, that keeps you going always. Post even when you don't feel like it. Create even when it's hard and you just get home from work and tired. Still push yourself. That's the difference. Ignore the noise. People will doubt you. They will say negative things. Some won't understand what you're doing. Some might even laugh, but let them laugh. Because they'll be the same people asking you later how you do it. Don't quit. Stay with me, because this video changed everything. Let's continue. Focus on improvement, not perfection. Push yourself and make sure every video just gets a little better. Better hook, better pacing, better delivery. That's how growth happens. Because small improvement compound over time. Your voice is your power. Don't try to sound like someone else. Don't copy styles, be you. Because your uniqueness is what will attract your audience. Remember why you start. When it gets hard, and trust me, it will, go back to your why. Why did you start this? To help and inspire people, to grow, to build something for yourself. And always hold on to that. Don't quit before it works. This is the most important one. Most creators quit right before things start to change. They were closer than they thought. Don't let that be you. Listen, if you're a new creator right now watching this, I want you to understand something clearly. You're not behind. You're not too late. You're just early in your journey. Stop watching the numbers. Start building your skill. Stay focused. Stay consistent. Stay strong. And whatever you do, don't quit. If this message helped you, keep going. Because your next video might be the one that changed everything. Make sure you subscribe and like this video. Smash the bell. If you enjoy this video, watch this next video right over here. 20 hard truths about life after 40. Nobody talk about. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.